Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. These boots from Baretraps prove that you can be warm and comfortable in the winter and not sacrifice on style. I think these are absolutely adorable. I love to wear them with jeans and leggings, and they're super warm. The fur that you see on the exterior actually lines the entire boot on the inside. So it's very soft, it's cozy, it's warm. I also like that these have ties along with zippers. So you really don't have to worry about lacing your shoes. You really only have to zip in and out, so they're easy to get off and on. The sole on these are really nice, especially for winter. You've got really deep grooves on the bottom. This just helps me to feel secure when I'm walking across snow and ice, so I'm not gonna slip and fall. I've gotten lots of compliments on these. I've also worn them all day, and my feet don't hurt or feel extremely fatigued in them. These are cute, comfortable, and cozy, so they check all the boxes for me. And that's my point of view.